Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get this. Whether you're already knee-deep in firewalls and encryption, or just starting to explore the world of digital security, this video is your one-stop shop for free online courses that'll not only sharpen your skills, but also get you certified in 2024. We're talking about boosting your resume, impressing potential employers, and honestly, just having a better understanding of how to navigate the digital world safely. So, buckle up, grab your favorite note-taking app, and let's jump right into the good stuff. First up, we're kicking things off with a heavy hitter, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. This program is specifically designed for anyone looking to break into the cybersecurity scene, regardless of your background. No prior degree or experience needed. Think of it like this. It's Google giving you a crash course in all things cybersecurity, all from the comfort of your couch. You'll be learning from the best of the best, covering all the essential skills you need to know to snag those entry-level cybersecurity analyst and SOC analyst roles. We're talking about things like identifying security threats, understanding how to protect systems and data, and basically becoming the digital superhero the internet needs. And the best part? You can power through this certification in under 6 months, even with a busy schedule. They've structured it so you can learn at your own pace, dedicating less than 10 hours per week. Completing this program opens doors at some of the biggest names in the game: Google, American Express, Deloitte, and more. Next up, we're switching gears and talking about ISC2's Certified in Cybersecurity program. If you're even remotely interested in cybersecurity, you've probably heard of ISC2. They're a leading membership organization that's all about providing top-notch cybersecurity training and certifications. They recently launched a completely free Certified in Cybersecurity training program and exam. Why? Because they're on a mission to bring 1 million new people into the cybersecurity field. All you need to do is pass the exam and then pay a small annual fee of $50 to become an official ISC2 certified member. No strings attached. Becoming an ISC2 member is a big deal. It gives you access to a whole network of cybersecurity professionals, exclusive resources, and continuous training opportunities to keep your skills sharp. So yeah, this is definitely an opportunity you don't want to miss. Get certified and join the elite cybersecurity club. Last, but definitely not least, we're wrapping things up with Palo Alto Networks' free cybersecurity education courses. If you're serious about diving deep into the technical side of cybersecurity, this one's for you. Palo Alto Networks is known for their cutting-edge security solutions and their awesome training programs. They've got a whole suite of free courses covering everything from the fundamentals of security operations centers to the intricacies of network and cloud security. We're talking about in-depth, hands-on training that'll take you from zero to hero in no time. Once you've conquered these courses, you can earn the Palo Alto Networks Certified Cybersecurity Entry-Level Technician credential. This certification is your ticket to proving to potential employers that you've got what it takes to handle the technical challenges of cybersecurity. It's a testament to your skills and dedication, and it's a surefire way to stand out from the crowd. So yeah, if you're ready to level up your cybersecurity game and become a certified tech wizard, Palo Alto Networks has got your back. So there you have it, 3 incredible, completely free online courses that can help you break into the exciting world of cybersecurity or take your existing skills to the next level. Cybersecurity is no longer just a niche area for tech wizards. It's an essential part of our digital world, and the demand for skilled professionals is only going to continue to skyrocket. These free courses are your golden ticket to joining this exciting industry. So, what are you waiting for? Hit those enrollment links provided in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share this video with your friends who might be interested in joining the cybersecurity revolution. Let's make the digital world a safer place. Share this video with anyone interested in cybersecurity, and let's help each other stay safe in the digital world. Thanks for watching.